Let's try calling our printPhoto function with different size and color arguments. Let's use the arguments 10, 20, and false. Can you guess what this will print out? We know that our first argument, 10, is matched with our first parameter, width. Our second argument, 20, will be matched with our second parameter, height. And our third argument, false, will be matched with our third parameter, in color. So when we run this function call, we'll enter our code in our function definition, print out the width is 10, height is 20, and because in color is false, we'll end up printing out print is black and white. So this will be our print output. And a print with this description will end up looking something like this, even though this isn't quite to scale. Then what if we did another function call and we just switched the spots of 10 and 20? This time, since our first argument is 20, 20 is going to be assigned to our first parameter, our width. And 10, since it's our second argument, will be assigned to our second parameter, height. So compared to our first function call, because we've switched the order of our first two arguments, our width and height have also swapped. And with this print description, our print will end up looking like this, all stretched in the wrong direction. So the order of arguments in a function call when you have multiple parameters is really important. Matching your arguments to the type of parameter expected is also important. For example, putting false as our second argument would cause an error. And that's because this is a Boolean value, and our function definition specifies that we want our second argument to be an int. Having our third argument be a 10 would also cause an error, because this is an int, and our definition expects a Boolean here. So this function call wouldn't even execute. So keep in mind that order and type are very important when you use multiple parameters and put arguments into a function call.